A lot of new pins have arrived for August 2025. Let me show them to you guys here in this video. All right, so starting off here with a brand new Halloween pin, which did sell out today, but thankfully I was able to find it all the way over here at the Disneyland Hotel. They have a few of them available, which I'm sure by tomorrow they'll go ahead and restock these. It's being sold for pink, which is $16.99. An interesting thing about this pin though is that it actually lights up. So you can see here it says it lights up. Seems like there's some type of battery built into this pin right here. What do you guys think? Skip or buy? And now this one here is a DVC pin, $19.99.
I can lead you which way to go out.
And you can see right here, looks to be Minnie and some hot air balloons with pumpkins on it. Okay, so now we're back here at Pin Traders, and let's see all of the new pins that have arrived recently. Starting off with this one here, Disneyland Vault Collection for the 70th anniversary. We're also celebrating 25 years of Disney pins. This is a Disneyland Resort of a cinema. This one's being sold for $22.99. Main entrance with Tinker Bell there and the railroad station. Same price, $22.99. $22.99 for this one here as well. Daisy with the Mark Twain Steamboat. All of these are opening day attractions. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride here on this new pin. This one also here is being sold for $22.99. Here we have the Mad Tea Party, and you can see 1955 on all of these pins right there on the sides. 19 and then 55 on the right side. $22.99 for this one here as well. Here we have King Arthur Curacao, another opening day attraction, $22.99 for this one here. Here we have Autopia, $22.99 here for this one as well. Goofy there with some of the Autopia vehicles. And here we have Dale at the Jungle Cruise with some hippos, $22.99. Here are some Park Pal outfits. These are magnetic. These are being sold for $29.99. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Here's another version with Donald. So you put the outfits on him. Interesting, $29.99. And here's a look at Dale with some of his different outfits and accessories. And then there's also Chip over here with some popcorn and his accessories, $29.99. Here is a look at a pin set for the 70th anniversary fall collection. Really cool colors on these. What do you guys think? Is this a skip or a buy? It's being sold for $54.99. And it seems like there's going to be more coming of them because this is 1 out of 4. Dang, $54.99. Wow. $22.99 here for this one. Pluto. 95th anniversary. And here's a look at another one for the 95th anniversary of Pluto. Being sold for $22.99. This one here as well. All right, everyone, thank you all so much for watching. Those were the newest pins that have recently arrived this first week of August. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button on this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.